Today we're answering some of the most common questions about the Arizona Qualifying Charitable Organization Tax Credit, otherwise known as QCO. We want to address how it works and maybe some questions that we hear often and breaking it down into simple terms. The QCO is a tax credit that allows Arizona taxpayers to donate to approved charities like Encircle Families and receive a dollar-for-dollar tax credit on their Arizona state income taxes. That means that your donation directly reduces what you owe in state taxes. This is so important because tax credits are often confused with tax deductions, and they're very different. A tax credit reduces the taxes you owe dollar for dollar, where a tax deduction only reduces your taxable income. That typically results in a smaller savings. So, for example, if you donate $500 and it's a tax credit, you reduce your Arizona state tax bill by $500. If you donate $500 and it's a tax deduction, you only reduce the income that gets taxed. So the actual savings depends on your tax brackets, but typically, again, is much less. So tax credits are typically more powerful than the deductions. This can change from year to year. We always update the amounts on our online donation form at encirclefamilies.org, so you can easily take full advantage of this year's tax credit. So, for example, 2025 individuals can donate up to $495, and married couples filing jointly can donate up to $987. You can always check with the Arizona Department of Revenue website or speak with a tax professional to find this year's current limits. You can give up to that amount and receive the full credit as long as you owe at least that much in Arizona state taxes. For most taxpayers, it doesn't. If you normally owe an Arizona state income tax, you're going to pay that money anyways. With the QCO tax credit, you can choose to direct a portion of those tax dollars to Encircle Families instead of sending it all to the state. It's a way to support families and children in Arizona without increasing your overall tax burden. This one is so important because the answer is yes. You can do both. The QCO tax credit is completely separate from the Arizona Public School tax credit. That means you can contribute to your local public school and also receive that tax credit along with the QCO program and donate to Encircle Families. You don't have to choose between the two. This is another great benefit. QCO donations can come through any time during 2025, throughout the calendar year, or all the way through tax day in April 2026, and it will still apply to the 2025 Arizona state taxes. That gives you extra time to decide how you want to direct those tax dollars. So if your credit exceeds your Arizona tax liability, you may be able to carry over the unused portion forward for up to 5 years. So get with your qualified tax professional and talk about your specific situation to make the best decision for you. Make your donations to Encircle Families by tax day. Keep your receipt, and when you file your Arizona state taxes, complete the appropriate tax form to claim that credit. Your tax software or your tax preparer can help guide you through that whole process. The Arizona Qualifying Organization Tax Credit is a powerful way to support Encircle Families and the families we serve while receiving a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your Arizona state taxes. And remember, you can participate in this program in addition to supporting your local public school through its tax program. If you have any questions about whether this is right for you, please speak with your local tax professional or reach out to us at Encircle Families anytime. Thank you for supporting Arizona families and for choosing to make a difference.